Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to safely use Proton Mail on a public computer. Using a public computer is one of the biggest security risks for any online account, especially email. But if you absolutely must access your Proton Mail on a public machine, here's the only safe way to do it. Please pay close attention. The golden rule is to assume the computer is compromised. First, operate under one assumption: every keystroke is being logged. Every screen could be seen and any file you download could be infected. Your goal is to leave zero trace of your activity and data. So the first step is the right tool for the job. Do not use the installed browsers like Chrome or Firefox. They can be downloaded with spyware. Instead, use a portable secure browser. The best practice is to bring your own browser or on a USB drive. It is a portable version of the TOR browser. It forces all traffic through the TOR network, encrypting your connection and hiding your login from the local network. Why does it work? Because you run it directly from a USB, so you don't use the computer's compromised software and you don't leave browser history behind. Step 2 is to access your account securely. Go to Proton Mail website, use a hardware key. The absolute most secure way to log in is with a physical security key like a YubiKey. Why UBI key? It uses two-factor authentication that cannot be phished. Insert it into the USB port when prompted. If you do not have a key, you can use a two-factor authentication code from your authenticator app on your phone. Do not have codes SMS to you. Type your password carefully, but remember the risk of a key logger remains. That is why step 1 is critical. During your session, while in your account, be extremely careful. Do not download attachments. You have no idea if the computer will save them or if they contain malware targeting public machines. Do not compose sensitive new emails. Assume the connection, even through TOR, could be interrupted. Write drafts on a secure device first. Lastly, log out completely when you're done. Close every tab and the entire browser window. The clean exit. Your work isn't done until you've left no evidence. If you use a portable browser from a USB drive, simply eject and take the drive with you. All cache and history is on that drive, not the computer. Clear any downloaded files from the desktop or downloads folder if you absolutely had to save something temporarily. Final warning and best alternative. The truth is, the best way to use Proton Mail publicly is your own mobile device with a cellular connection. It is far more secure than any public computer. Use that whenever possible. Stay safe. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.